morning everyone, how's it going, and welcome back to another video. So today is the day, the video that I've been promising for absolutely ages, saying that it's going to be the most amazing vlogs ever, is finally here. I am in fact going on holiday today, but this isn't actually any holiday. This is a holiday with the school that includes a bunch of different activities which I cannot wait to do. So I'm not going to tell you guys too much about what they actually include, because I'm going to include them in the vlogs, because I'm filming absolutely everything. So make sure you stick around, subscribe if you haven't already, and get ready to watch the vlogs. I have been saying for a while that I have wanted to get back into the vlogging game, and this is the perfect opportunity to do that. So I absolutely cannot wait. So let's go.
I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all. I know I'm not innocent, you deserve a better man, but let me just hold your hand once more. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head.
Standing on the porch in the night, thinking how we used to be way back in time. In time. Barefoot on the grass, open skies. I can feel it every time I close my eyes. My eyes, yeah. Can you remember when we were young and free, like queens up on a throne? Never surrender, we're having too much fun. Could feel it in my bones. I was never
Okay, so let me get you up to speed of where we are at the moment. So at this point we have already travelled to Sri Lanka, and we've got the plane, in fact 2 planes, and it was one of the greatest flights I've ever been on. But I need to be kind of quick because we're about to go out. One of the first activities that we are going to be doing today is painting the monk temple. So as you can see, the most incredible view behind me, and I've been filming non-stop. On the door.
hanging on the beach, catch your tide. Those will always be the best days of my life. My life. There I fell in love, held her hand, kissing while we painted hearts down